Let's go, man. It's Big CO BJ back at it again. So today I'm gonna be repairing his locks and also performing his haircut. So I'm gonna start off by doing the natural hair. I'm gonna wrap it around his hair and I'm gonna crochet it all the way down. It's about halfway to the end, as you see right there where he's really thin. So we're avoiding that. We're gonna go ahead and make sure that the lock is fully structured and full. As you can see, I'm just crocheting, flowing with everything, keeping everything consistent. See how I'm wrapping it all the way down right there to make sure that it's fully aligned with the rest of his locks. Just balancing everything out. I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest of the locks, which will be 5 total back there. Then I'm gonna perform his haircut. So I wanted to knock out 2 birds with 1 stone and do the tutorial on the crochet method and also the lower temp fade. So as you can see, I'm just applying the hair. I'm gonna crochet it, just staying consistent with everything. I'm letting him feel his locks so he can see the difference and stuff like that, piece by piece. So I'm wrapping the hair right now, and then I'm gonna crochet it with the 5mm double needle. I usually only rock with the 5mm because the 75, it sometimes leaves the spaces in the locks to where it'll undo again. I want to make sure that the hair is fully tucked. So you can see how it's fizzy. I'm just going over it, then I'm gonna palm roll him to make sure it's going with the rest of his hair. I told y'all, man, I'm not the average barber. I do locks, retwist style, microdermabrasion, facials, mud masks, nose wax, women hair, blunt cuts, layers, curls, all of that stuff. Outside of my 4 other companies running. So y'all tap in, man. I'm 25, full-time entrepreneur. Eventually I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can really see how I'm doing everything as well. As you see, I'm wrapping the hair and I'm crocheting it, balancing everything out. Just staying consistent with everything. I'm just doing piece by piece to make sure everything is going. I just zoomed in so you can really see how I'm doing it. I apply the hair, then I wrap it around his locks, and then I just go ahead and crochet it in the same direction where his locks would be retwisted. If you ever need loc repair or anything like that, just let me know. Contact me or DM me on Instagram at bigceo.bj or bjs.cuts on Instagram. Just like that, you see how consistent, how fast I'm moving. I've been doing locks for a minute now. I just don't have that much content to upload, but I will be doing that soon for all of my clients. Because a lot of people don't know I do locks as well, so. Yes, sir, you see how it's slowly coming together. You see the rest of the hair right there at the bottom of my hair that I'm actually wrapping up too, so. I'm just holding it in the palm of my hair as I crochet. Just staying consistent with everything as you see, so I'm making sure everything is balanced and even. I'm palm rolling them to make sure that everything else is smooth. So as long as you stay consistent and you're doing everything the right way, as you see, I'm using my needle like left and right. I'm not tilting it or anything like that as I crochet to make sure that it's fully packed into the root. So now I'm about to cut his hair. We're about to go with the low taper. We're gonna grow the rest of his hair out so we can apply the other locks. Like with his natural hair, we might cut them in half and then go ahead and start working on the sides well too, so I can show him. I was just showing him how my head is full of my locks, so we're just doing it piece by piece like that. We're gonna go ahead and grow his hair out and then do it. I know this process is pretty fast because of how I got it, how I have the time going, but what I'm doing is I go lever fully open midway, and then I'm using the #1 guard, close it, then open. And then just detail work, whatever afterwards. So as you see, I'm just lining them up real quick, balancing everything else out. Just taking my time. I just had to speed up the video because it was like an hour-long video because of both of the services I've done. But I sped it up just so you all can still see it. Like I said, lever fully open, midway. I'm not going to close it because I'm doing shadow. And then I'm just tapering his beard, balancing everything out. And then we're going to do enhancements for the first time, since he's thinning on his hairline due to the locks and stuff like that being pulled back. But it is what it is. So I'm just putting everything together. As you see, I'm just lining them up, keeping it natural, smooth. He always laughing. He did that around the mustache too. Like, he just played too much, but that's my boy though. We always have a good time, all my clients. So same thing with the other side. Just doing everything piece by piece, staying consistent with it, so you know. Yes, sir, man. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj, bjs.cuts with 2 Z's. If you ever want a book, you see I'm selling out all my merch as well. I got that on the way, so y'all lock in, man. Tap in. Not your average barber, as you can see. Let's go. Just lining him up natural first, and then we're gonna do the enhancements for the first time. So yes, sir, just like that, very smooth transition. Y'all stay tuned for the other content I got on the way. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.